Those flavors all go well together. This is a fun little spin on a basic lasagna. Hello OFT family. Today I am making a quick and easy meal, and it's also one of my sweet followers' recipes on her page. Her name is Maddie Makes, and I am making her Italian sub lasagna today. So please go check her out, check out her recipes, but let's get started. So I've got myself a 9x9 pan. I'm gonna add just a little bit of sauce on the bottom. I'm using the Carbone's roasted garlic sauce for mine, but you could use any marinara, any red sauce that you like. So spread that along the bottom like you would any other lasagna. Spread that on the bottom. And today we're using the oven ready lasagna sheets. I use these anytime I make lasagna, any kind of lasagna. I've used these for years, they're a godsend. So layer your sheets, and they should fit perfectly in this size pan. And then we're gonna start layering. So on top of my shells, I'm going to add some meats, some Italian meats. I've got Black Forest ham, I've got salami, pepperoni, and turkey. So I'm just gonna start layering. Get some turkey. Get some ham. And you can overlap the meats. It's all gonna cut up nicely anyway. Get some salamis. Spread that down there, and then a couple pepperonis. All right. So then I have my ricotta mixture. So in this bowl is ricotta cheese, a little bit of pecorino romano cheese, garlic, salt, pepper. So I'm gonna take just a dollop of that and spread it all over the meat layer. And then on top of that, we are going to layer some provolone cheese. Take your provolone and layer that on top, and also a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Just a little sprinkle over there. And then we're gonna keep on layering, and then this is gonna go in the oven at 375 until it's bubbly. I'm gonna treat it just like a regular lasagna. I'm gonna cook it at 375 for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then take the foil off and let it get brown on the top. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. We are back with our Italian sub lasagna. I failed to show you earlier that you do put banana peppers and roasted red peppers on the layer where the lunch meat is. I did go ahead and do that. I forgot to show you guys. We have her out of the oven. She looks really good, guys. Look how good she looks. See all the meat, and there's the roasted red peppers. I'm gonna put a little bit of my favorite parm on here, and then we're gonna take a bite. I like the corner crusty pieces, so I'm gonna take a bite here. And she smells just like an Italian southern lasagna. Let's get a red pepper, get some cheese. That's pretty good. Those flavors all go well together. This is a fun little spin on a basic lasagna. It's really good, guys. If you haven't already, go check out Maddie Makes' page. She's got a lot of good recipes on there, including this one. Go check it out and make it with your family. I don't think you'll regret it. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.